Click and cash in. $30 per click strategy only here in High Access. Welcome to the High Access channel, where we're about to unveil a game-changing strategy that will turn every click into cash right here in the world of High Access. If you've been searching for ways to boost your online income, look no further. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through a unique strategy that has the potential to earn you a whopping $30 per click. Yes, you heard that right. Get ready to discover the secrets of High Access and embark on a financial adventure like no other. It's time to click and cash in. Step 1. Get your payment account ready. In the exciting journey to unlock the $30 per click strategy here in High Access, the first crucial step is to ensure you have a reliable payment account set up and ready to go. This initial setup is like laying the foundation for your financial success, ensuring that when the time comes to cash in on your earnings, you're well prepared. One of the most widely used and convenient options for receiving your earnings is through PayPal. If you already have a PayPal account, you're one step ahead. If not, don't worry. Creating one is a straightforward process. Simply visit the PayPal website, follow the easy registration steps, and link it to your preferred bank account. PayPal offers a secure and user-friendly platform that facilitates seamless transactions, making it an ideal choice for our $30 per click strategy. Alternatively, you can opt for a traditional bank account. Ensure that it's set up to handle online transfers and deposits efficiently. Having your bank account details handy will be essential for transferring your earnings when the time comes. Keep in mind that having both a PayPal account and a bank account gives you flexibility in managing your earnings. Some platforms or opportunities might require one or the other, so being prepared with both options ensures you won't miss out on any opportunities to cash in. Furthermore, maintaining accurate and up-to-date information on your payment accounts is essential. Regularly verify that your account details are correct and that there are no issues with linking them to the platforms you'll be using. This will prevent any unnecessary delays or complications when it's time to claim your hard-earned money. So, before diving into the $30 per click strategy, take a moment to ensure your payment account is ready to receive your earnings. Whether you choose PayPal or a bank account, having this crucial foundation in place sets the stage for your financial success in the world of High Access. Stay tuned for the next steps in our journey, where we'll explore how to maximize your earnings through this incredible strategy. Step 2. Sign up at addiclicks.net. Now that you've got your payment account ready, it's time to take the next exciting step in our journey toward unlocking the $30 per click strategy in High Access. To do this, we'll be using addiclicks.net, the platform that holds the key to turning your clicks into cash. Addiclicks.net is the trusted platform we've chosen for this strategy, and signing up is quick and easy. Here's how to get started. Visit addiclicks.net. Open your web browser and navigate to addiclicks.net. You can do this on your computer or mobile device, making it accessible from wherever you are. Register for a free account. Look for the Sign Up or Register button on the addiclicks.net homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. Provide your information. You'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. Verify your email. After completing the registration form, addiclicks.net will likely send you a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the instructions to confirm your email address. This step is essential to activate your account. Log in. Once your email is verified, return to addiclicks.net and log in using the credentials you provided during registration. Congratulations! You're now a registered member of addiclicks.net and you're ready to start exploring the incredible $30 per click strategy. This platform offers a user-friendly interface and a range of opportunities to earn money through various online tasks, including clicking advertisements. In the upcoming steps, we'll delve into how to maximize your earnings on addiclicks.net and make the most of this fantastic opportunity. So, stay tuned for more insights on how to thrive in the world of High Access, where every click can bring you closer to financial success. Step 3. Confirm your account. Congratulations on successfully signing up for your addiclicks.net account in Step 2. Now, let's ensure your account is fully activated and ready for action in our quest to unlock the $30 per click strategy. After you've completed the registration process, it's important to check your email inbox. Why? Because addiclicks.net, like many other online platforms, uses email confirmation as a security measure and a way to verify that you're a real user. Here's what you need to do to confirm your account. Open your email. Go to your email inbox, the same email address you used during the registration process on addiclicks.net. Look for the confirmation email. In your inbox, you should find an email from addictclicks.net. This email typically has a subject line like account confirmation or something similar. Click the confirmation link. Open the email and look for a link that says confirm account or something similar. Click on this link to confirm your registration. This step is crucial to activate your addictclicks.net account fully. Verify your information. Once you've clicked the confirmation link, addictclicks.net may ask you to verify some additional information. This might include confirming your email address again or providing some personal details. By completing these steps, you ensure that your addictclicks.net account is not only registered but also verified and ready to go. This added layer of security helps protect your account and the earnings you'll be accumulating as we progress through the $30 per click strategy. Remember that account confirmation is a standard procedure on many online platforms to prevent fraud and unauthorized access. It's a simple step that takes just a few minutes but is essential for the safety and functionality of your account. Step 4. Check out the money-making options. Now that your addictclicks.net account is fully confirmed and active, it's time to explore the exciting world of money-making opportunities that await you on this platform. Upon logging in, your dashboard will become your command center for discovering various ways to earn cash through the $30 per click strategy here in High Access. Here's how to get started. Log in. First, log into your addictclicks.net account using the credentials you provided during registration. Explore your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. It's your central hub for accessing all the tools and features that addictclicks.net offers. Browse the money-making options. On your dashboard, you'll likely find a menu or section dedicated to earn or earning opportunities. Click on this to explore the various ways you can make money on addictclicks.net. These options may include clicking on advertisements, completing surveys and offers, referring friends and earning commissions, participating in contests and promotions, and more. Read instructions and guidelines. As you explore each money making option, be sure to read any instructions, guidelines, or requirements associated with it. Understanding how each opportunity works is essential to maximize your earnings. Plan your strategy. Based on your interests, time availability, and income goals, plan your strategy for making money on addictclicks.net. You can choose to focus on one specific method or diversify your efforts across multiple opportunities. Set realistic goals. While the $30 per click strategy is enticing, remember that success often comes with consistent effort and patience. Set realistic goals for your earnings and work steadily towards achieving them. Track your progress. Keep an eye on your earnings and progress through your dashboard. Most platforms provide detailed reports on your activities and earnings, helping you stay organized and motivated. By taking the time to explore your dashboard and understand the money making options available on addictclicks.net, you're setting the stage for a successful journey into the world of high access. Step 5. Click on View Advertisement. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the various money making options on addictclicks.net, it's time to dive into one of the core methods of the $30 per click strategy here in High Access. By clicking on advertisements, you can start earning money right away. Here's how to do it. Hover over the Earn Money tab. On your dashboard, navigate your cursor to the Earn Money tab. This is where you'll find a plethora of opportunities to boost your earnings. Click on View Advertisement. Within the Earn Money section, you'll likely find an option called View Advertisement or something similar. Click on it to explore the available ads. These advertisements are often provided by businesses and individuals looking to promote their products or services. Select Advertisements to view. Once you're in the View Advertisement section, you'll see a list of available ads. Each ad may have a specific payout amount associated with it. Choose the advertisements you want to view. Click on the ad title or a designated button to start viewing. Follow instructions. Some ads might require you to stay on the page for a certain duration or interact with the content in a specific way. Follow the instructions provided by the advertiser to ensure you receive credit for viewing the ad. Earn money instantly. After completing the viewing requirements, you'll earn money directly credited to your addictclicks.net account. The amount you earn can vary based on the duration of your interaction with the advertisement and the advertiser's payout rate. Repeat and maximize earnings. You can click on multiple advertisements, increasing your earnings with each view. Keep an eye on new ads that are added regularly, providing you with fresh opportunities to earn money. Stay consistent. Consistency is key in maximizing your earnings through ad viewing. Make it a habit to check for new advertisements daily and interact with them as instructed. Over time, these earnings can accumulate significantly. By clicking on View Advertisement and engaging with the provided content, you're not only earning money for yourself but also supporting the advertisers in reaching their audience. It's a win win situation that forms the core of our $30 per click strategy. Step 6. Click on Ads. Now, it's time for the exciting part of the $30 per click strategy, clicking on those ads and turning your time into earnings. Clicking on ads is not only fun but also an essential part of maximizing your income on adclicks.net. Here's how to do it effectively. Browse available ads. Start by heading to the View Advertisement section as explained in Step 5. Here, you'll find a list of available ads waiting for you to click on them. Each ad typically comes with a specified payout. Choose ads to click. Browse through the list of ads and select the ones you want to click on. You can choose based on your interests, payout rates, or simply click on all available ads to maximize your earnings. Click on an ad. Click on the title or button associated with the ad you've chosen. This will take you to the advertiser's page. It's important to note that simply clicking on the ad is the first step. You'll need to spend a little time on the ad's page to ensure you get credited for your click. Spend 10 to 15 seconds. Once on the ads page, hang out there for about 10 to 15 seconds. This simple action demonstrates to the advertiser that you are a real user and not a bot trying to game the system. During this time, you can scroll up and down the page, interact with the content, or read the information provided. Complete any additional instructions. Some ads may have specific instructions, such as signing up for a newsletter or exploring certain sections of the website. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully to ensure you receive credit for your click. Repeat the process. You can click on multiple ads, and each click adds to your earnings. Consistency is key to success in this strategy, so consider making a daily routine of clicking on ads to boost your income steadily. Track your earnings. Keep an eye on your earnings in your adclicks.net account. It's motivating to see your income grow as you click on ads regularly. Remember, while clicking on ads is a straightforward way to earn money, it requires consistency and adherence to the provided instructions. By following these steps and having fun with it, you'll be well on your way to making the most out of the $30 per click strategy. Step 7. Grab your earnings. You've done the exciting work of clicking on ads and spending those crucial 10 to 15 seconds on each one. Now, it's time to reap the rewards of your efforts and grab those hard-earned earnings. Here's how to do it. Wait for the timer. After you've spent the required time on the ads page, you may notice a timer or an acknowledgement that your click has been counted. This timer is a signal that your action has been registered and your earnings are on their way. Close the ad page. Once the timer has counted down or the ad indicates that your click is confirmed, you can safely close the ads page. There's no need to stay on the page any longer. Watch your balance grow. As you close the ad page, the money you've earned from that particular click will be automatically added to your adclicks.net account balance. It's a satisfying moment to see your earnings increase with each click. Keep clicking. Don't stop at just one ad. Remember, the more ads you click on and engage with, the more money you can earn. Consistency in clicking on ads daily can lead to substantial earnings over time. Track your earnings. To stay motivated and monitor your progress, regularly check your account balance on adclicks.net. It's a great way to see how your efforts are paying off. Cash out when ready. Depending on the platform's policies, you can usually cash out your earnings once you reach a minimum withdrawal threshold. This threshold varies from platform to platform, so make sure to check adclicks.net's specific requirements. Enjoy your earnings. Once you've met the withdrawal criteria, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor by transferring your earnings to your PayPal account or bank account as set up in Step 1. It's a rewarding feeling to turn those clicks into cash and see your financial efforts come to fruition. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through high access and the incredible $30 per click strategy. We hope you found our insights and tips valuable in your pursuit of turning clicks into cash. If you're ready to supercharge your earnings, don't forget to subscribe to the High Access channel for more exciting strategies, tips, and opportunities to achieve financial success. And remember, in the world of high access, every click can be a step closer to achieving your financial dreams. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore even more ways to thrive in this dynamic online landscape. Until then, keep clicking, keep earning, and keep chasing your financial goals here on High Access. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from these strategies. Your support means the world to us, and together, we can unlock new levels of financial freedom right here in High Access. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you with us on the next exciting adventure. Until then, take care and happy clicking!